Hello everyone. In the previous class, we have discussed about the len function and the slicing of strings. Now in this class, we will discuss about the modifying of strings. Means how can we modify our strings? So this is the whole string in the lowercase. Lowercase means the small letters of English and uppercase means the capital letters of English. So this is in the lowercase. If I want to convert that string in uppercase, what I will do is print a dot upper and parenthesis and then parenthesis close. If I will write like this, it will show me the output. All the letters of hello world means our string in the capital letter, like such. So you can see the difference here. And in the same way, if I want our strings in the small letters, so we can, here it is already in a small letter, so you cannot understand the difference. So let me write here as lower. So now what if I run it, it will show me the output as hello word in small letters like this. So uppercase and lowercase will help us to modify our strings in the capital letters or small letters. Next, there are some more functions. So this is about the uppercase and lowercase. Next, there are some more functions like strip and replace. What strip function does? Strip method actually removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. Now, if the string is same, and now if I want to give some spaces here and some spaces here, and now here if I write print, the syntax of all the functions that I'll be using today is almost same. So if I write a dot strip, so a strip function will remove all the white spaces that we have used here and here. So now if I run it, it will show you the output as hello word without any white spaces. There are no white spaces at the starting and there is no white space at the end. So this is what strip function does. Next is replace. So for replace, let me remove this white spaces from here and from the start also. Next, if I write replace function, you can understand it from the name itself. If you want to replace some string with another string, you can use replace string. So in the same form, we use syntax as a dot replace, and here the string that you want to change from the given string. So if I want to change hello from some other word, let me say hi. I will take it like hi. So if I want to replace the word hello from hi, I will write it like that and close the braces, not braces, parenthesis, and then if I run it, it will show me the output as hi word, not hello word. I think I had done some mistake here. Okay, here H is capital and here I have written H in a small letter, so it doesn't change anything. Now if I run it, it will show us the output as hi word, like this. So this is what replace function can do. Even you can change a single alphabet also or some string. Like if I have written here H and if I want to convert, let me say J. So it will return the output to you as yellow word, like this. So H will be replaced from J. So replace function basically returns or replaces the string with another string. So next is split function. A split function you can also understand by the word itself, that it splits the strings into sub strings if it finds the instances of separator. What does instances of separator means? You can understand the same things by using by saying the example that I am writing here. So let me write the syntax for example for you. A dot split, and take an take an separator as E. Okay, in the like this. So if I have taken E as a separator, so it will return us the one string from H differently, and then after one string, so it will separate the strings from here. After saying this E, it will separate the string. Like, okay, I have forgot to close the parenthesis, so let me run it again. So after E, it will show you the one string as H, one string as LLOWORLD. Now, if I use here in place of E as comma, so it will separate the two words hello and word separately, like such. Hello one string, and seeing the comma as a separator, and word another string. So what a split function does, a split function basically splits the string into substrings, and uh, it